Hinowa 2614 by Energy. Make yourself familiar with the machines operating and emergency features before continuing by reading and understanding the operating manual. Before operating, check decals and specification plate. Walk around the machine, checking for any defects or damage, checking structure, hoses, cable assemblies for correct installation and damage. Turn the machine on with the key at base controls on the remote. The emergency stop icon will fill the screen. To clear this, push the emergency stop on the remote and twist to release. Now the information icons will be in the screen and you are ready to test the functions. The machine will start as a lithium machine. Should you wish to use on diesel, push the engine start button once to switch off lithium. To start the diesel engine, press and hold the engine start button to preheat. When you let go, the engine will start. To stop the engine, press the engine button again. Now test the forward and backwards functions by moving the red joysticks, making sure the area is clear. Should you need to remove the cage to get through a narrow restriction, unscrew the caps and with some assistance, remove the cage. It's also possible to shorten the machine by holding up the cage support. If required, you can narrow or widen tracks with the buttons on the remote. Also, it's possible to lift the jib arm to aid ground clearance. Now enter the cage and place the remote in the support. Fully push the remote to the right and lock in place. Lift the ladder and connect the harness lanyard. Test the remote emergency stop button by pushing and trying to start the engine. Now release by twisting gently. Start the engine and test all functions in all directions. Now you're ready to work. Make sure when closing the machine the yellow arrows are perfectly aligned and all booms are fully closed. Exit the cage safely. To set outriggers, lift the locking pin and rotate the outrigger into the desired setting, narrow or wide. To set outriggers on, auto push and hold the auto outrigger down button. Stop the outriggers near the ground to correctly place the outrigger pads if required. Use the manual stabilisation button to precisely place each outrigger. Now use the auto outrigger button and hold until the screen comes up with OK. When outriggers are on wide setting, lights will flash. When outriggers are on narrow setting, lights will be solid. To lift outriggers, press and hold the auto outrigger up button whilst observing for dangers. Fold the outriggers back into the stowed position.